SAP Leonardo is about connecting people, things, and business processes together in a digital continuum. For businesses working in the digital economy, commonly referred to as digital businesses, to get from the value chain of things to outcomes. And fundamentally, things represent the physical reality of a business, and outcomes represent both financial outcomes and any philosophical outcomes that are enshrined in the workings of an organization. And how does the end to end solution portfolio of SAP Leonardo, including business solutions and the underlying platform components that serve the Internet of Things use cases as it relates to end to end business processes, come together, is in the things to outcomes framework. Very simply, things are censored up pieces of equipment, physical equipment, moving equipment, sometimes even animals and people carrying sensors on them, mobile phones that allow them to hook onto the network and send out information. Fundamentally, that information comes in as time series data that businesses can collect in an appropriate data management platform, in the case of SAP, the HANA platform or the cloud platform, analyze that data and gain insight from that data. Insight in terms of potential areas of risk or potential areas of opportunity to do new business with their customers. Those pieces of insight then logically lead the business to try to take some action to either mitigate the risk or act on the opportunity and create some more upside for itself, to mitigate the risk and eliminate any downside in the business. Those actions lead to outcomes which fundamentally either create new business value for the business, having either saved cost or added to the revenue bucket, and any potential ecosystem advantages in case some third parties benefited from it. Obviously, the customer definitely benefited from that action that was taken on by the business to create a positive outcome. And in the realm of outcomes, again, I spoke to you about financial outcomes and philosophical outcomes. So some of the financial outcomes generally tend to fall in the realm of having lowered some cost, optimized productivity, improved a turnaround time, increased uptime, maybe led to faster deliveries, more efficiency, less waste, and all in all leading to this notion of having created more capacity for the business to address its opportunities and garner some new revenue. In terms of some of the business models, the newer business models that are being explored by businesses on the back of IoT, leveraging solutions that make up the SAP Leonardo portfolio, is this notion of usage-based pricing and the ability to then articulate new products and services which have a much higher digital flavor as compared to a physical flavor, and leveraging the goodness of SAP Leonardo and the Internet of Things to be able to create some of these new business models. So in a quick nutshell, is this notion of things to outcomes for emergent digital businesses operating in the new digital economy.